Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again. I come down to do one thing and I had to end up doing something else. I come down to do that bed at the top. I was going to bring round some manure and fill that in. So come down now and there's no manure whatsoever left. So what I'm just trying to do now, as you can see, my tomatoes are getting a bit bushy. And I'm just trying to thin them out a bit. So the ones that ain't doing nothing, just snipping them off. Giving the plant a bit more chance to produce fruit. So I've got to do this and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've pruned my tomatoes the best I can. I'll show you that in a minute because they're the bushy ones, so there's a lot there. So what I'm doing, I'm in my polytunnel and the only plant I'm going to give some water is these carrots, because the top of the soil is a bit dry. But all my sweet potatoes and that, I'm just going to water them, leave them till Friday, because I'm going to try and cut down on the watering a bit now. So I'm just giving my carrots some water. I'll show you my other plants meanwhile. My sweet potatoes, you can see they're still running. Got about another few weeks and then I'll start trimming them up to put more strength down, just trim off the long runners. Then you can see here I've got my fennel. I don't know what that does. First time I've grown it, it's just grown and flowering and leaning over. My Scotch bonnet, my chocolate ones here, you can see they're putting on growth now fast. My chili peppers, I've picked some off of there and I can see, so I'm going to have to harvest them the next time I come down. My Scotch bonnets, you can see there's Scotch bonnets on them, but they're just tiny. I don't know why they're always tiny like that. Whether I've got the wrong variety every year, but I'm going to have to try and grow some from seed and see. But they're very hard to germinate. I don't know why I don't have luck germinating them. Right, what else is in here? My lettuces, you can see, coming on leaps and bounds. My ginger plant is here. You can see that's sending out a lot of see if I can get my cameraman to come up a bit. My peanut plants looks like they've done their course, and my melon plants, I don't know if I'm going to grow melon again. Just runs all over the place, and then I only got one melon off of there, but it's still flowering again, but just counterproductive really. This is that pepper plant, what was broken off. You can see it's put on a lot of growth. I'm not going to water them. The soil on the top looks damp. It's only just my carrots I want to water. Let my cameraman come back that way. Every time you walk past this, that's all you hear is crunch, crunch, crunch. I've still got a couple of broccolis what I want to plant out, but I'm going to just give these a quick sprinkling over, because I've got a couple of broccolis here what I need to plant out as well. I was meant to take up my pack tray and then put them in, but so next time I come I can start harvesting some lettuce now. So I'm just giving that a light sprinkle of water, just mainly the broccoli. So if you're liking our videos, please remember, like, share and subscribe. I'm just having a look to see what's going on. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave comments in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. These baskets, I keep saying I'm going to put them out and I've not even gotten round to do it. Every time I do say that, I always put it off. So there's not much I can show you. I can do a quick tour of the plot. These are some broccoli what I planted in my rainbow charge. As you can see, it's coming on. Some kale and the Romanesco cauliflower. If anybody knows anything about this, please let me know, because I don't know what's going on with it. It's just getting tall and I can't see any signs of any cauliflowers in any of them, so I don't know about that. My tomatoes, they're looking worse for wear this year. I've got some sweet potatoes up here, the ones that I grew outside. You can see they've got nice growth on them, not as much as a polytunnel, but they've got growth on them. Got a couple of tomato plants here, but as you can see, not a lot of tomatoes on them. And I don't know why this dirt, it just keeps drying out so quick, so I'm going to have to put some water in those before I go. My pack choys, going to take one out in a minute. My carrots here, my shimmer, my pumpkins, the yellow one and the Jamaica glow. These ones look like they're not going to make it. Got my cho-cho here, just starting to run now, a bit late in the season I think. My corns, I can see some of them starting to dry off now, so be harvesting some corn. These ones what you see on top are the ones why I had to cover it because of the birds. Right, I've still got some French beans on here which I'm gonna harvest next time I come down. And then I've got some of the lima beans starting to come now, which are these ones here. I'll let my cameraman come around the other side of me. See, I've got started to get some lima, which is we call them butter beans, so they're starting to come now. Don't know why this one's running there all the way down. I've got to try and wrap it around. Right, so got those. Got a couple of cabbages in there what are soon going to be ready. They're small this year, but I'll soon take these out as well, so I can work on that bed. And then I always end up at my pumpkin patch. I'm starting to see quite a few pumpkins in there now. There's a Casperita over there, which is the yellow one. The Jamaica globe there. The baby boo. some little ones around. Just starting to come now. My cameraman come round. Got crown prince there. I think that's a crown prince, but they're usually more, that might not be a crown prince. I have to wait and see when it comes because they're usually more green than that. Got a couple there. Got some up the top there. Got some up there. Where you don't expect to see them, that's where you see them. Got one down there, just had to weed it out for the nettles. They're just starting to come now, so hopefully we'll get pumpkins. I don't know if we'll get any big size ones. It's still sending out flowers, so there's enough flowers to fertilise them. I hand fertilise them when I can reach them, or if I see one what needs the fertilising, then I'll do it by hand. We've got even some pumpkins going up there and up there on top over the top of the bushes, but as they get heavy, they'll settle down and I'll be able to reach where they are if they're fertilised. I just fertilised this one, hand fertilised this one. So that's what's going down at the plot. There's what I came to do. I'll come back up the top and I'll show you what I came down to do. I've got a bed up here, this one here. What I was planning on doing today was coming and taking out this weed mat, pulling out all the weeds, and then I'll fill it with the manure, but there isn't none up there, because what I was thinking of doing is, still got a bit of time, I'll fill it with manure. I think it's got the wood chippings underneath this already, and then pile it up with fill it up to the top with compost, and then put my garlic in there. But we'll see how it goes. But more or less, I'm just trying to get everything prepped for winter. You see my rhubarb, some nice big stems on there. So next time I come, I'll take those off. Don't need them for now, so I'll take those off next time. So that's what's going on down here. So if you're liking what you're seeing, please remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you. So you take care, and happy gardening to you until the next time. Thanks for watching.